general contractor, industrial, new construction, and renovation. Project size 5 to 15 million. Octopi Brewing Production Facility, Vogel Brothers. Octopi Brewing, founded by Isaac Shawaki in 2015, has achieved remarkable success, emerging as a leader in the Midwest contract beverage facilities with over 200 employees. This transformative project aimed to increase beverage co-packing production by 400% through a 90,000 square foot state-of-the-art facility that was complete in June 2022. Vogel Brothers and Aro Eberil architects meticulously crafted the space, featuring an advanced canning line operating 4 times faster than the previous one. The facility houses offices, a quality control lab, a fermentation cellar, and a processing facility for various beverages. Unlike painted panels that fade and deteriorate, the weathering steel exterior takes on a natural patina, enhancing the building's visual appeal as it ages. The Octopi Brewing Production Facility has made a profound impact on Octopi's growth, promising lasting contributions to Wisconsin. Vogel Brothers would like to thank Octopi Brewing, along with its partner contractors, project team, and skilled craft workers for making this project a success.